Hey guys, it's me, Ron, Michaela, and Jasril. Boom!
Yeah, so hey everyone. So have you noticed how crazy the weather's been lately? Like super init 1 minute, then suddenly boom, ulan.
Tama ka, hindi lang siya basta-basta. It's actually, climate change is, and if you believe or not, it's already affecting the way we live every single day.
Yep, tama. From what we wear to what we eat. Climate change is basically part of our daily decision making.
Yes,
Na-
right.
Tama.
Omsimnida!
Let's start with something super relatable. The weather. Ang init, then biglang ulan. So now you always have to check your phone before going out.
Palaging magdadala ng payong hat, jacket, aloo!
Yeah, exactly. Our routines are changing because of the weather, unpredictable, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos, even simple plans like going out or commute are affected.
Yes.
Yun. Okay, ngayon pag-usapan naman natin tungkol sa pagkain.
Uy, gusto ko yan, pre. Gusto ko yan.
Sa pagkain, active
Kagutom.
dapat tayo. No?
Kagutom.
Tignan mo,
Naman.
climate change
Tama to.
affects how we produce, diba?
Pre, tama ka dyan. And like when there are droughts or floods, drops can get damaged talaga, di ba?
Tama.
Which means higher prices, ramdam na ramdam sa grocery, right?
Tama.
That's why small action matter, di ba? Like not wasting food and supporting local product.
Kaya ano, nakatipid ka na, nakatulong ka pa sa environment.
Speaking of small actions, living a healthy lifestyle actually helps the planet too.
Like walking instead of always using a car.
Or eating balanced meal and avoiding too much plastic tulad niya.
Grabe
So,
ka, pre, makatama
It's a win-win. You stay healthy and you help reduce environmental damage.
Uy, plastic.
That's what we call sustainable living, good for you and good for the
Ha?
earth. Go.
Okay, yeah, of course. We're not alone in this. Science and technology are helping us to fight climate change. Diba?
Like renewable energy, solar panels, wind energy.
And energy efficiency is appliance at home.
This innovation make it easier for us to adapt and reduce our impact on the environment.
Yes.
Right.
And let's not forget social media.
Yes. The good and the bad.
It's great for spreading awareness about climate change.
But sometimes there's misinformation or even trends that promote overconsumption.
So, we have to be responsible. Sabi nga nila, think before we click or share.
Tama. So,
At the end of the day, climate change affects our everyday choices in life.
Everyday choices, di ba?
tama.
From what we wear to what we eat and how we live.
And we all play our role. And small action today can lead to more sustainable future.
Once again, this is Michaela.
It's Ron.
And just real.
Thank you so much for watching our vlog.